All right, everybody. I am making a quick video to show you how to use the Desmos activities that are on the math department website. So if you click on modules, and you'll see Desmos interactive activities, and there are different categories here. But let me go ahead and go to the Getting to Know You activity. So when you click on that, it's going to show you first a link to the teacher's side where you can make your own class code. And then down here is the student version. And so right now, if you were to join this and look at it, you would go into what a student would see if it was integrated in Canvas, and continue without signing in, put in my name, and start going through the activity. And that's a way to maybe preview what a student is going to see, but it's really here so that you can embed this in your own Canvas course with your own code that I'm about to show you how to create. So if instead you go to Opening Desmos on the teacher side, I think whether you have an account set up or not, you can create a class code. And once you have that new section, and you want one for each one of your class sections so that the group of students that's going to interact in your activity are all from a particular class, you can copy that, go back to the Canvas page, go into the HTML editor, and you'll see right down here it says pre-populate code equals blah blah blah. Well, this was the old code for that old section. If I highlight this and paste, now it's going to be that new section that I just created. So when I save that, now when you go in, see it's got that new code in there. And then if you're doing this for your own class, now you can just go through and delete this part and have only what the students will see. All right, please let me know if you run into any problems or have any questions. Like anything, it's got a learning curve. It takes a little while, but you will get the hang of it, and Desmos activities are fun. And I'll be happy to collaborate with any of you that want to start creating activities of your own. Pretty fun. All right, take care.